What is up, YouTube gang? Today we're out here with the Tacoma and we are going to work on the sound system. So you probably seen my other video where I installed the Kenwood on this Generation 2 Tacoma. If you haven't seen that video, please check out the link in the description. But I also bought some speakers. I bought a whole kit from Crutchfield. And it came with tweeters and it came with the, I think these are 6s or 6x9s. I just got lazy and never installed them, so that's what we're going to do today on Turkey Day, my day off. So I've basically had this box sitting in my basement since who knows when, and it's been a few months, probably a year since I actually bought it. I did install the stereo already, and so let's see what's in this. This is actually custom fit for Toyota, so I paid a little extra for that. It's a 6x9. This is made by PowerBass. And this is the part number right here, OE69C-TY, 160 watt peak music power, two-way component system. It does come with some tweeters as well. Got some stickers here, PowerBass. Yeah, I'm gonna put that on my truck. Yeah, right. Looks like instructions. Here are the speakers, and these are the tweeters. Let's get it together. Actually, I did hear something. Yeah, some brackets. Okay, so these are for the tweeters, I'm assuming. Oh, it came with some rivets too. Hopefully I have a rivet gun. First thing we gotta do is take off the door panel. First clip I'm gonna take off is this one right here. And you're gonna push in the middle, and then you're gonna pull out on the edges. Sounds like I'm gonna have to buy a new clip. The screw hidden here behind this little cover inside there, and the same thing with the one hidden behind here. Here we go, this should work. Perfect. All right. Thankfully it's held in there, so it doesn't fall off when you pop it off. It'll stay, it won't get lost. Same thing with this one, it has like a little door. So the fat one goes on bottom, and then the smaller one goes up on top. Let's try this. Oh, I forgot about this one. Well, that one already popped off. Okay. Now we can lift it up. I'm gonna disconnect the switches. Okay, so apparently when you're trying to remove your door panel on the second gen Tacoma, this is a 2008, the video I saw said to, disconnect it from behind here, but then on another video, they removed this. So I'm gonna do that because I tried the other way and it didn't work. All right, there we go. It's gonna require some more persuasion here. There we go. Whew. Yeah, that thing was in there good. Apparently it clips, but then it kind of like slides too. So, see that? So you gotta push the button and then pull on this. Now we can take off the door panel. All right, what do we got here? We got, yep, it's definitely a 6x9 and a tweeter. Let's take this stuff off. Well, I'll disconnect the speaker. And then the tweeter, let's take the, I'm assuming I just take these off. Bro, everything is stuck on this car. I guess because it has a seal on it. Man, this speaker is light as hell. Look at that magnet. It's not a magnet, man. This thing is super light. Trash. This is just foam right here. I thought it was like this part, but it's actually just foam for a sealer. All right, let's take off this tweeter. There we go. It does have a small clip right there, so let's kind of flex it out this way. So I don't know why, but the tweeter has a bigger magnet than the actual speaker. So the tweeter might be better quality than the actual speaker. But we're replacing both of those. So let's see what we got here. Let's compare this magnet to the other one. A lot bigger. And it looks like it's just gonna bolt right in. No problem. Just gotta connect it. Except this one, the connection is inside, and this one, it's outside. So maybe I can run the speaker wire back here. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run, this is the stock speaker wire, and here's the adapter. It's gonna run it behind the plastic and inside the door. And I'll connect it right here. Okay, and we're connected, and it already comes with the proper connectors. So we're just gonna connect the speakers back here, and you can only connect them one way, so don't worry about messing that up. There's a positive and a negative, but they're two different sizes, so you should be good. Okay, now let me just bolt this up. All right, so we have some issues here. This is the OEM tweeter, which is actually not that bad. It has a good size magnet on it, but it has 4 wires, which I don't understand. Here's the one that I bought. It has this little bracket, and it mounts to this bracket adapter. It only has 2 wires. So it did come with some adapters, none of which actually fit this. So if I wanted to do this, I'd have to clip these wires and connect only 2, which I'm not sure which 2 I would connect. Yeah, I don't know why there's 4. I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to just go ahead and reinstall the stock tweeter. Okie dokie. So here's the stock wiring harness. And if you look closely, there's actually a port right here where you can plug it straight into. I did not even see that. You can just plug it right into the side. And guess what? This doesn't reach. Back off again. Bullshit. All right, so I am going to have to use this adapter. Okay. Before I put the door panel back on, I'm going to test it, see if it works. Okie dokie. So I just did a little sound check with these new speakers, and they sound excellent. Now we just got to do the passenger side. I'm going to take this off. All my clips are snapping. All right. I'm going to take off this. Yeah, this is easier. Go. This speaker. Damn. Now let's take off these 10mm bolts. Okay, dude. Speaker's a joke. I like to slide the plastic cover back so I can make sure I got the connection on there correctly. So here we go here. So if you have the plastic cover on, you can't really see if you mounted it correctly. You could pinch it between the plastic and the actual connection. So now that it's on there, then you can slide your covers over it, and we should be good to go. Just gotta mount it up, just like that. Okie dokie. All right, we're all connected. This project is done and complete.